Welcome to Garage Heads, your ultimate destination for honest, detailed, and exciting car content from around the world. Whether it's classic revivals, modern supercars, or rugged daily drivers, we dive deep into what makes each ride tick. Today, we're taking a closer look at something truly unexpected and surprisingly cool of the 2026 Lada 2101 Neo. The 2026 Lada 2101 Neo marks a bold move by the Russian automaker to blend retro charm with contemporary tech and engineering. Inspired by the iconic VEZ 2101 that first rolled off the line in the 1970s, the Neo pays tribute to its roots while offering a thoroughly modern driving experience. From the outside, the design is boxy and nostalgic, but with sleeker LED lighting, sculpted fenders, and 18-inch alloy wheels, it has a distinct urban edge. The front fascia retains that unmistakable Lada personality while giving off serious Restomot vibes. Under the hood, the Lada 2101 Neo comes with a turbocharged 1.5-liter inline-4 engine, producing around 160 horsepower and 210 Nm of torque. While those numbers might not scream performance, the lightweight chassis and refined suspension tuning make it agile and responsive in city driving and surprisingly composed on the highway. Lada has also confirmed an optional mild hybrid variant with improved efficiency and extra torque assist, aiming to meet Euro 7 emissions standards. Inside the cabin, the surprises continue. The interior has been completely modernized with a 10.2-inch infotainment touchscreen that supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The digital gauge cluster is crisp and customizable, offering real-time driving data and vehicle stats. Soft-touch materials and minimalist lines give the cabin a far more upscale feel than you might expect. Heated seats, wireless charging, ambient lighting, and even a panoramic roof are available on the higher trims. In terms of safety, the 2101 Neo is a major leap forward. It includes adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system as standard on all but the base trim. That's a huge improvement for a brand often criticized in the past for lagging in modern safety tech. The car also features a reinforced high-strength steel frame and multiple airbags throughout the cabin. Handling is nimble thanks to a well-balanced chassis and tight steering. It's not a sports car, but it's fun to drive and easy to park. The ride quality is tuned for comfort, absorbing potholes and road imperfections surprisingly well. Fuel economy sits around 6.2 liters/100 kilometers for the gas version and closer to 5.4 liters/100 kilometers for the hybrid. Overall, the 2026 Lada 2101 Neo is a car no one saw coming but everyone should be talking about. It brings character, practicality, and a touch of nostalgia into a world of soulless crossovers and bloated sedans. Whether you're a fan of retro design or just looking for something different, this little Lada might just surprise you. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to see more unique cars, concepts, and reviews, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. This is Garage Heads, and we'll see you in the next ride.